Hi guys, my name is Isha and I teach IELTS and PTE. In this video, I'm going to tell you the top 5 biggest mistakes that students usually do in their PTE speaking exam that actually cost them $475. Before starting with today's video, I would just like to let you guys know that we do provide online classes as well as face-to-face classes in Blacktown, Sydney. Our institute is just at 1-minute walk from the train station. Forward to get any kind of guidance and your score is stuck at 65 or 79 and you've given your exam multiple times but still you're not able to achieve your desired score, we are here to help you. You can even check out our social media handles such as Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, where you can find various results where our students are blooming and growing. So let's start with mistake number 1. Usually I have seen that the students who are giving their exam for the very first time don't know when to submit the answer. Just ensure that you have to submit your answer as soon as you finish speaking. You don't have to finish for the bar to end, but you have to ultimately submit it as soon as you have stopped speaking. Otherwise, the background noise will get recorded and that is definitely going to affect your score a lot. Mistake number 2. We're going to talk about content over here. In Retell lecture and describe image, you need to work on your content. In Retell lecture, at least you need to have 9 to 10 good phrases so that you're able to speak for around 30 to 35 seconds. Apart from that, in describe image also try to cover the main or the important aspects that are given in the picture. I'm not asking you to talk about each and everything or cover each and every content because that's not practically possible in 40 seconds. However, if you feel that something is really important, like if they've given us some maximum, minimum, or an highlighting feature or something which is equal in the image, definitely you should talk about that. But repetitive, like in Retell lecture, earlier we used to say I hear about, I hear about this and this, the lecture told about. So this is not allowed anymore. The template that you're using has to be explanatory and should not be repetitive in nature. Same goes for describe image. You cannot say I can see, I can see, I can see. You have to talk about various aspects such as so it can be noted that, however it can be observed that, another highlighting feature in the image is that. So these variations are going to help you to fetch your marks. Let's discuss about mistake number 3. Fluency. Whenever I talk to students regarding fluency, they misunderstand it and they think that fluency means the speed. It doesn't mean that if you're going to speak too fast, you're going to fetch marks. That's absolutely not going to happen. Fluency means that you have to talk at a natural speed. When I say it should be natural, that means it should be neither too fast nor too slow. It has to be moderate. The software has to actually understand each and every word that you're trying to speak, whether it is read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image or retell lecture. You can actually stop at full stops as well as commas. The clarity of words is going to matter a lot whenever we talk about fluency. Now I'm going to show you a sample of read aloud question where I'm going to read at a moderate speed and you will actually realize how clear my voice is. Chemists have developed a new approach to convert photo-switchable molecules from their stable state into metastable one with low energy red light. Their work enables fast, highly selective and efficient switching, providing new tools for energy storage, activation of drugs with light and sensing applications. So as you can see over here that I gave a reasonable pause at comma as well as full stop. Mistake number 4 is actually related to pronunciation. My dear students, when we talk about pronunciation, it doesn't mean that the algorithm is asking you to talk in different accents. The PTE exam is conducted in 126 countries and the software can recognize 90 different types of languages. So it doesn't matter what kind of accent you have. I have seen students that they actually try to change their accent and they think that it is going to fetch them more band scores, but that is not going to happen. Pronunciation means that if the word is written sustainability, how well, how correctly you are pronouncing it. It doesn't mean in which accent you are pronouncing it. So please make sure that you're not trying to change your accent. The last mistake that I have observed is that students put too much of focus on the question, that is answer short questions, which is not right. I have seen students that they spend around 1 or 1.5 hours on that, which is not right. You can just listen to few audios, and even if you're not able to get all of them correct, still you'll be able to get your desired score. In my exam itself, I think I got around 5 to 6 questions, out of which 3 to 4 I answered correctly. They were pretty simple. But in the leftover ones, I just spoke one word from the audio itself. For example, if the question was, what is the opposite of south? And if I don't know the answer, I just spoke the word south. And the last brownie tip that I want to give you guys is that I've seen many students that when they listen to repeat sentences, they actually have a tendency of closing their eyes and then they listen and then they speak. I personally think that this method is not going to help you. Sometimes it happens that when you've closed your eyes and when you're trying to speak, you never know that whether the recorder has even started or not, and you might just speak it too quickly. And also I have seen that there is a strong tendency of fumbling when you close your eyes and then you speak. Of course, I understand that every student is different. If closing your eyes and then speaking works for you, definitely you can try. But according to my experience, I've seen that it doesn't work. So these were few of the mistakes that I have observed that students have been doing time and again in the speaking module. You can let me know in the comment section which topic I should cover next. I'll definitely come up with a complete comprehensive video. I hope that this video was helpful for you. You can subscribe to my channel to appreciate my efforts. I'll definitely be thankful and grateful to you. Thank you so much. I hope this was helpful. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.